Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of tribal. A tribe or tribes characteristic or of. For example, tribal people in Malaysia. American pronunciation. Tribal. Tribal. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Tribal. Say. Tribal. Tribal means of or characteristic of tribe or tribes. Tribal. Tribal. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Indigenous, tribal, and peasant communities have been particularly hard hit. Now, repeat after me. Indigenous, tribal, and peasant communities have been particularly hard hit. The second practice. These tribal groups still do not identify themselves with the national culture. Now, repeat after me. These tribal groups still do not identify themselves with the national culture.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.